So hello guys and welcome to day 9 of the blog. So it's 6:16 a.m. right now and I'm gonna start with newspaper. So let's start. So it's 7 a.m. and now it's time for newspaper analysis. So let's start. So done with this class and now I'm going to take a break to freshen up. So now it's 9:45 a.m. and I've completed newspaper reading and newspaper analysis. So now I'm going to start with word power made easy. So today is time for session 10. So let's start. So done with this session and now I'm going to do CLAT Express topic China declined population. So done with word power made easy and CLAT Express. So now going to do QT lecture third of percentage. So let's start. And the total number of so done with lecture 3 also and next the last lecture of percentage, lecture number 4. So let's complete this also. पढ़ने वाले बच्चे कहीं से भी पढ़ लेते हैं. Done with this lecture and QT percentage, all 4 lectures completed by me. So now I'm going to start with AR assumptions. So मैंने सारे lecture देख लिए थे. So now I'm going to read from this book and will practice some of the question if possible. So half done with this and अब मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा इसे करने का and right now it's 1:12 p.m. So I'm gonna start with simple interest lecture 1 and it has around 2 lectures. So let's start with this. So it's 1:48 and half lecture is completed but now मुझे अब करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है आगे. आधा एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग का लेक्चर किया, आधा ये एंड आई डोंट नो आधा आधा करके छोड़ रही हूँ बट आधा आधा कर करके ही मैंने ये पूरा नोट्स कंप्लीट कर लिया. So it was handwritten notes of me which covers all the topic like contract, then family law, then criminal law, torts, constitutional law. So I have done all of this. So I'm going to start this self guide CLAT book. So I'm going to start with legal aptitude chapter 1, law, its nature and classification. So it covers all the subjects. So I'm going to start with this and will complete one by one. So let's start. So done with this chapter and I've completed this and right now it's only 2:15 p.m. So I forget to start the timer before the newspaper analysis and newspaper reading. So it must be 5 and half hour something, and after adding vantage it should be 6.5 hours. So yeah, that's it for today. So this is day 9 and I think I'm doing good because जो भी मैं add कर रही हूँ to do list में I'm able to complete it, I'm able to manage time and other work also. So I think it's perfect for my journey and thank you to all of you who are supporting in the comments and in my DM also. So thank you to all of you. And yeah, this is my journey going on with consistency day by day. And yeah, so that's it for today. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.